Watch him out now, Manuel. Bumbo, you know the man I'm married. Glad Susie. Susie, you do this to me to pussy, yo.
I wanna get a pressure me as me wake. Like how my real love get a headache. Better if you give me a break. For heaven's sake. Cause a boy like me not mad. No. Me not mad over no girl. Cause a boy like we not mad. No. We not mad over no.
No joke about it. Act broke for 2 months. Zin? And look and see who around you. You know the real from the fucking fake. No joke about it. Just act broke. Look and see who you see.
Small advice, my peeps. Be careful who for shoulder you cry on. Be careful who you tell your business. Because really and truly some people just try to set you up for fail, you know. Them see your potential, them see your aim, them see your goal, and them would try everything for stop it. And the only way for stop it is to stay close to you and go like say, yo, them are your friend and them have your back like that. But really, them are saying you're going on one wall, go crash you. More time I've got you for talk about your business and your problem. Yeah, and make him solve it because you can't trust nothing.
A woman can't have no $5,000 draws and him pushing a value dollar. Cause her AIDS, her syphilis, her gonorrhea, every destruction in it. And when you see the draws, you say you're gonna heaven. That time I hell you the good on down to the pit of hell. You know what is a whore? A whore is a narrow pit and a deep ditch. A two sitting where you can't come over. Then come in like the sea.
Money we smile about your naffy hawks. Don't break the sparks. Burning, bling eye. This is the life we always think about. Money they enough, big house. Them see we as
Ready, fast up now! Ready!
Be a person.
Hold up! When you talk, ladies up at the road.
Yeah, be a person. For the future back.
What I'm saying?
Bless them! Quick cook! But we make them know so you don't know bread organization of the thing lock. You don't know the thing set. What them say? Pressures of life. Yeah, check it out. You don't know it's the EP. See it? Quick cook.
Yeah, man. Whole organization. You want it to strength, man. Respect DJ. Quick.
Take a picture quick.
So much up. I want to have this money. I just want to show last night, man. So I better go up on him black. I'm going to be last week. Yeah, this man. I'm not for there, so that. But I end up on him black, though. Yeah, man. I can go and rest. Come on, boy. Officer, me not know officer. Me artist and officer. Artist? So what you stay there? Militant, the Globe General. Alright, you a militant name? Yes, ma'am. Give me a tune then. Give me a militant tune. Prisoner no bed a rose. My blood fed the road.
You know I represent for the youth them. But the wallet pan man.
Wait, Virginia. Youth. Youth. I just really see what you go do. Virgin, if you think you're bad, if you think so you're bad, I bet you $1 million. Me I bet you everything in my bank book. I bet you my sheet and my pillar. Just if you, do
Bad too much.